Sheldon Lake State Park in Houston, Texas was once a coastal prairie crossed by fertile marsh. However, farming and reservoir construction erased most of its original wetlands features, so work had to be done to revitalize the area. Starting in 2003, Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service and Texas Sea Grant partnered with several schools and organizations to undertake the 89-acre habitat restoration. During the project, the teams used new precision geo-referencing tools to locate and excavate the wetlands. This method ensured that the re-exposed marsh was located precisely where they had been historically, giving them a better chance to thrive. Today, students of all ages have access to a successful ecosystem for a hands-on environmental science experience. Sheldon Lake State Park also provides an outdoor laboratory in an urban environment to teach them about native plant communities and natural processes. Restoration of these wetlands helps control stormwater runoff and removes pollutants to improve water quality. But more importantly, it provides visitors with a glimpse of this historical landscape. Congratulations to the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service, the third-place winner of the 2017 Gulf Guardian Award in the Partnerships category.